Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you've clicked play. I'm doing a Tracy's Sunday Challenge video for this week, the 9th of July. This week's theme is shaker cards. So I'm using this gorgeous kit that's new out from Stampin' Up. It is called the Confetti Birthday Kit. It's now available in the kit collection and it's also available in my online store. There is a link in the description of this video if you would like to go and check that out and purchase it. So I've just shown you all the kit. Everything is included. So you have card fronts, envelopes, embellishments, the bags, you've got the confetti, you have adhesives with both tear and tape and dimensionals. There's a stamp set as well as an ink spot. So everything that you'll need for these three designs everything is included in the kit. Now it does make 9 cards. There are 3 designs, so you're making 3 each of the cards. So we're going to do our stamping first. I've just gotten all my kit laid out from the kit, each card or each singular thing that we need for each card. Now because these are brand new stamp sets, I haven't used it yet. I am using just a little bit of stamping on the side just to get rid of any inconsistencies. You could also clean your stamp sets before using them. That will help getting off any oil or any residue from manufacturing. And that way it'll stick perfectly. So there's a circle die cut piece for our sentiment, there is a square, and then there is a banner one there. So I have done all 3 of our sentiment pieces. Also there is a birthday cake front card. We're going to take that out, take all the little die cut pieces out, and then we're going to stamp this gorgeous little candle. So we're going to just stamp 5 of those candles. Now the kit does come with the stamping spot. The ink is Blueberry Bushel for this project kit. I'm using my normal size ink pad just because I prefer using those than the ones in the kit. Okay, so these clear bags is how we're going to create our shaker cards. There are 3 different cards that will go inside each of the cards. For this one here we're using, I believe it is Lemon Lime Twist. So we've just popped that inside the clear bag, adding in our little embellishment pieces. And these are so cute. There's little stars, there's little sequins, lots and lots of glitter and fun in there. And we're just going to take off the backing piece and glue it down, and that's our shaker piece. So all 3 of these cards have these clear bags that are our shaker pieces. And what a great idea. It makes it so easy to create shakers just with clear bags. So we're going to use some of that tear and tape that's part of that kit, and we're going to adhere that down to the card base. This is my favorite card, can I just say, out of these 3 cards. I really like this one. It is so bright, fun. You know, it's just, I don't know, it speaks to me, which is great. So I have that on there crooked, so I can just pull that up really easily and make sure that it is nicely evenly spaced all the way around. We've got that circle sentiment there. I'm going to add just some dimensionals down and pop that in the center of our bag there. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that just the cutest card? Definitely my favorite. Okay, so we're going to move on to the second card. Now the second card in the kit is the birthday present. So we're just going to pop out those 4 little squares from the present. There is that cross with the lemon lime twist. We're going to adhere that down with some tear and tape and then just adhere it to the front of the card. This gives us that ribbon look. And just an extra layer of cuteness there. For our clear bag piece, we're using just the basic white insert, so we can pop that in with our embellishments. And we're also going to be using the sentiment there that will pop up with the card as well. So these little clear bags, I know I've seen demonstrators use our envelope clear bags and used those for shaker cards, which I think is an amazing idea. I've never done it. I have watched a few demonstrators do it, and maybe it's something that I'll have to get out and do because I think this kit is so fun and really easy to create shaker cards without any effort. but contains all the little confetti. You know, you don't have to worry about making sure that all your adhesive is stuck down perfectly because it's contained in a bag. Such a great idea. Alright, so we have our kit. I've actually popped some of those embellishments on both sides. That way when we open the card, you're going to see that the embellishments there as well. And we're just going to use some tear and tape to pop that down into the card base. So our second card's done. These are really easy cards, so someone could sit down and do these within, you know, an hour, hour and a half, and you have 9 cards ready for birthdays. And who wouldn't love, like, it wouldn't even have to be kids, adults would love these cards with a little bit of fun shaker design there as well. So we have just the square, or the rectangle sentiment. We're going to add some dimensionals to that and pop that up. And then we can move to our birthday cake one, which is, you know, you've got a present, you've got a birthday cake, and then you've just got one that's got confetti everywhere. So with our birthday cake one, we're using, I think it's Flirty Flamingo, that's what it looks like to me. We're going to add our little embellishments in there as well. Now you can use, you know, if you want to create these at home, I'm sure we all have sequins in our craft stash. I know I certainly do. So you could add anything in there, whether it be glitter, sequins, you know, just go for it. Have fun. Alright, so we're going to pop this in as well. Now what's really great is there are 3 different designed envelopes that work perfectly with each card. And they're different, which is always nice. You know, you've got the matching envelopes with the card. And like I said, this is all inclusive. Now here in Australia, this kit is $23, which is an amazing price. I don't think you can go past that for, you know, summer holiday fun for the kids, or, you know, maybe even just here in Australia, we're in winter. So, you know, you've got rainy days, rainy weekends. We're just coming out of the holidays, but well, I'm sure there's going to be more rainy weekends coming up. So it's a great idea to have in your cupboard for the kids when they're at home and bored. You know, you can never be bored when you've got a bit of crafting going on. So yeah, 9 cards, 3 different designs, and we're using the banner sentiment for this one. So once again, just popping that up. I really hope that you've enjoyed this kit, and maybe you'll come and join in this week's challenge, which is shaker cards. I would love to see what you're creating, so please come and share with us. And yeah, if you would like this kit, come over to my online store and purchase it. If you've enjoyed today's projects, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you gave me a comment, and if you haven't hit subscribe, you could do that as well. Alright everyone, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye bye.